Now, I'm pretty sure y'all already know what this video is going to be about, and I had to move the chair because, you know, before I actually told you guys that, you know, I wanted to start being myself in front of the camera and different things like that, you know, I feel like I need more lateral movement, you know what I'm saying? I need to, like, get my legs loose and shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, I need to just be more elusive, you feel me? So, I feel like I just need more space. I can't be, you know, sitting down, you know, in a chair the whole time and just like talking in front of you guys, because I feel like that's not entertaining. But I mean, I'm not really gonna waste y'all time because I know you guys are just really here to just like see how to like shift and stuff like that. And I mean, like, and for the people that are just joining and don't even know what the heck shifting is, like I remember when I was joining the wave game, I was just kind of like, what is shifting? Like what is that? So yeah, that was kind of like me, you know what I'm saying? So I feel like for the people that don't know what shifting is, it's like when you have one pattern. So say, like when I first started waving, I had like whole 360s, you know, 360, if you don't know, they go like this and like that and like this and yeah, so, and then I kind of just like, I started like seeing 360 Jeezy and I kind of just like, and then I seen like a whole bunch of other waivers, you know, on like top waivers and Supreme, you know, different wave pages, just different wave pages all in all. And then I was just like, I want to swirl. Like I felt like a swirl looked cool. Like instead of like a bald spot like smack dead in the center of your head, I felt like the swirl kind of looked cool. It was like, I felt like that just looked cool to me. So that's why I ended up shifting my pattern to 540 waves. And most of y'all just be getting on me. Like y'all just be like, why are you called 360 Woods and you have like 540 pattern? Like, I don't get it, bro. Dude, you're like called like 540 Woods now. You're 540 Woods. Yeah, 540 Woods. And I'm just like, 540 Woods? Like, what is y'all talking about? Like, that don't even sound like cool. Like that don't make no sense to me. 540 Wood. I mean, does it? I mean, should I change my name, guys? Focus on me. Focus on me.
And you focus on me.
There we go. Okay, so like, yeah. So most of you guys were like, just asking that. And for the subscribers that's been here for a minute, you already know I had 360s and I shifted. So I know what I'm talking about. Okay, I know what I'm talking about when I say how to shift. Because, okay, shifting is the most, it's the hardest thing to watch. I ain't gonna lie. It made me so mad. It made me so mad. I'm gonna tell you why. When you're used to seeing your waves like up here, you know what I'm saying? I do this a lot, I don't know why. But like when you're used to seeing your waves up here and then you got all these forks and different things like that. I still got forks too. But then when you got forks, you feel like you all the way down here. And like just yesterday, you were just like all the way up here and then now you're all the way down here. It's frustrating. And then you wanna brush like hard, like kill your scalp to get like these forks and different things and your pattern back to elite status. I mean, it's motivation to get it back. But I mean, you're just like, man, I need to get my pattern back. I need to get back to elite status, you know? And it killed me. It killed me. Like, it messed with me mentally. I was like, man, my waves ain't hitting no more. And they still ain't hitting like how they used to. But they ain't hitting no more and different things like that. And it really got to me. But I just had to turn my thought process and my focus to like, man, I need to be patient. I always tell you guys, I said, be patient. The waves will come. Stay consistent brushing, and the waves will come if you don't focus. But yeah, and the waves will come. The waves will come when you're consistent, you're patient, you're focused, and you're motivated. That's when the progress and you come back up to that elite status. That's when you get up to here. You know what I'm saying? You want to get up to here. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be down here. I mean, if you want to be down here, you cool with being a casual waiver. Me being a casual waiver, I'm cool. I know a lot of casual waivers at my school. They in between like here and here. They just get a cut and they got waves. I mean, that's where they want to be. That's cool. But see, me, I want to be up here. I want to always be up here. So I stayed. I put in that brushwork. I put in that consistency. You know, I just really just worked hard. You know, I worked hard to get that shift right. And most of you guys think I'm elite. Most of y'all like, man, this was you one of the best straight hair waivers. No. Okay, I'm not one of the best straight hair waivers out. If y'all follow these wave pages, man, y'all, sometimes they be motivating me. Sometimes that's cool. Sometimes you need just that tad bit of motivation to say, man, I need to get up off my I just need to go. You know, I just need to put in that hard work. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes that's okay. Sometimes that's okay to just need that little bit, you know, just to push you through, just to get you off that hump, just to get you off that couch, just to put that. Alright, I'm not about to sit here and act like, you know, I've been putting in hella brush work. I'm not about to sit here and just be fake with y'all. I'm not about to say like just because I'm in the mirror right now on camera putting in that brush work, you know, that I've been putting in all this brush work, you know, off camera. And yeah, so look, it's okay to slack. It's okay. I've been doing this, guys. I've been doing this for about I'm going on my 2nd year of waving, okay? And at some point, you know, I've been dedicated. I've been putting in hard work ever since then. Now I feel like this year, when finals kind of start to hit, I don't know, guys. I've been just slacking. I mean, I've been stressed out. I haven't been worried about my hair like how I usually was. But it's like now it was like I didn't really care. I don't know if it's like finals and I'm just like stressing out. Like I feel like, I don't know. I feel like I'm going crazy. And I need to get back. I need to get back on my grind because every waver slacks, but it's not how hard you fall. It's how hard, it's snap. I think I messed up that quote. God dang it. Let me get this quote for you guys real quick. Let me get this quote. Hold on. All right. This is from like one of my favorite movies. Okay, here we go. Hold on. Let me see if I can get it real quick for you guys. If y'all haven't watched that movie, it's called National Treasure. If y'all haven't seen it, go watch it. It's on Netflix. But here we go. It was with Nicolas Cage, alright? It was with Nicolas Cage. He said, I didn't fail. I found out 2,000 ways how not to make a light bulb, but only needed one way to make it work. And that's all you gotta do. You know, when you're waving, it's no different. It's no different when you're waving, alright? It's no different. You know, you try different methods, you try different this, you try different brush angles, and then you see a fork. You know, you could fail 2,000 times, but you only need one way to make it work for you. And that is how you shift. Alright guys, you already know. If you like the video, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. You know, my channel donations will be down in the description below. My PayPal, my Cash App. If y'all want to go ahead and donate to your boy so I can make better content and make this more enjoyable for you guys to watch. You know, I'm trying to get some, I'm trying to get up there, you know what I'm saying? We always trying to work up to the elites. Alright? I see these elite YouTubers and that's what I want to be like. You know, I want to be up there. I'm tired of being down here, guys. We need to step up the game. We need to step it up. But yeah, I think I said like, comment, subscribe. But you know, forget it. We gonna do this. Stay wavy, and hey, it's 360 Woods, and I'm out. Yeah. Now for the people that are just sitting there, y'all just like, man, he didn't even tell me how to shift, bro. When's he gonna tell me how to shift? I did tell you guys how to shift. It's just you guys didn't pay enough attention. You guys just wanted it right out in front of you guys. But no, I'm gonna make you guys pay attention. You guys gotta lock in to what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? You guys gotta lock in. So I did tell you guys how to shift. It's just I told you more the mental way how to shift. Because shifting, it ain't you know what, it ain't always about the brushwork. Especially when it's come to straight hair waves, sometimes even coarse hair wavers. I met a lot of people that gave up. But it really matters mentally. If you can stay focused, stay motivated, you know? That's all that matters when it comes to waving. How determined are you to make it happen? And if you really want to shift, if you want to really shift from where you are already, maybe you're already elite. Maybe you're already mediocre. Maybe you're just mediocre right now. But shifting, maybe you shift into that, you know, new process. Maybe you need to be more locked in mentally, especially if you're mediocre and you think shifting is just going to get you, you know, to the elite level. And if you're elite, maybe you need to lock in mentally so then you guys can get past you being mediocre and back to the elite status. But now the video's over with.